Okay, trinomial and monomial naman ulit. Same. Okay, we're going to divide the given. Okay, so the given trinomial to the given monomial. Again, step 1, divide the dividend to our, or to the given divisor. Ilan ang ating dividend? 3. So, separate natin siya 3 times. Okay, this will become negative 36 x raised to 4, y raised to 4 divided by 9 x squared y. And then, next, simplify the sign agad. What is the sign of 9 here? And, negative divided by positive. Magiging negative po ito. And then, copy again, 9x cubed, y squared divided by 9x squared y. Next, positive divided by positive? Positive. Then, 27x squared y squared divided 9x squared y. Then, after that, simplify. Negative divided by positive? Negative. 36 divided by 9. 4. Very good. Do we have the same variable? If yes, what we're going to do? Copy the variable, then subtract the exponent. 4 minus 2. Then 4 minus 1. Okay, that is the quotient of the given. Next, minus 9 divided by 9. 1, or just simply, pwede natin i-cancel yan. Check natin kung ilalagay pa natin si 1. X cubed divided by x squared. Okay, x na lang, then imaginary 1. Again, take note, kapag may natira anak na literal coefficient, si 1 ay hindi na po nilalagay. So, magiging ano na lang po siya? Imaginary 1. Y squared divided by y. Y na lang din po yan. Okay, then imaginary 1. Plus, 27 divided by 9, 3. X squared divided by x squared. Okay, cancel. Very good. Y squared divided by y. Okay, y. So, check if they have similar terms. Xy, xy. Parehas pa na exponent. Okay, if no, therefore this is the answer. So,